Hello everyone, welcome to the howto.org channel. To download an Instagram video, what I'll do is this. I click on the three dots button. Then I click on the copy link. Now, I will open my browser and enter the website, w3toys.com. Here, where it says Instagram URL, I'm going to paste the link I copied a moment ago. Then I click on the turquoise button that says Download. And now, we click on the light blue word Download. We wait a moment, the time depends on the speed of the internet and the size of the video. Then, we can click on Open. Excellent, we have already downloaded the video. In the case of the photos, it's the same. Let's copy the link. And also, on the website w3toys.com. Let's paste the link. We click on Download. And also, in the same way, we click on Download again. Now, we wait a few seconds. If we click on Open, we see that the photo has already been downloaded. Another website we can use to do this is socialdown.com. First I will copy the link of this video. Then we go to the website, socialdown.com. Here, in the same way, we must paste the copied link. Then we click on Go. If nothing comes up, click on Go again. Here, the video appears, we must go down and click on Download Now. Now, the video is not downloaded yet. Click on the three dots button. And click on Download. Now, the video is on our cell phone. I'll do another test with a photo. I'll copy the link. Then on socialdown.com again. I'm going to paste this link in. We click on Go. Like I said, sometimes this website freezes. That's why I'm going to click on Go again. There, it's loaded. Now, we must go down again and click on Download Now. Here the image appears, we must for 2 seconds click on the image and some options will appear. Click on Download Image. That's it, we're done. Thank you for watching our video, we hope it helped you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell to receive notifications of new videos.